Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Apple iPhone 15 Pro smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off Assistive Touch option in your phone, Apple iPhone 15 Pro. Here you will see one bubble like this. Okay, this is called Assistive Touch bar. If you have already enabled or if you accidentally enabled this, if you are feeling that this is uncomfortable to you, you can just turn off this Assistive Touch bar. Okay, what you have to do is go to settings of your phone here, then go to accessibility settings, then go to accessibility and go to touch, and here click on assist to touch and turn off this option so that it will be removed from your home screen. In this way you can easily remove assistive touch in home screen in your phone iPhone 15 Pro. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.